Alright, this is going to be a video on some multiplication skills, specifically how to do a lattice multiplication. As you see right here, lattice. So, what lattice multiplication is, just a different kind of multiplication that they teach nowadays. It helps some people, doesn't help others, just if it works for you, you can use it. Alright, we're going to pick just a couple random numbers, and we're going to start with two-digit numbers to keep it simple. So I'm going to pick the numbers 37 times, let's see, 59. Definitely a number I don't have memorized. Probably no one really does. So we're going to do the multiplication for it. So what you do first, you take your first number, which is 37, and you write it up top. 37. Give yourself some room because one drawback of lattice is it takes some room. Alright, your second number, 59, you write along the side. 59. Now, why it's called lattice is we are going to make a little table now. You're going to make it between your numbers, like that. Since it's two-digit times two-digit, we are going to put 2 rows, 2 columns. And to finish up the setup, you need to draw some diagonal lines down through the corners. Now, this is what I think the drawback of lattice is it just takes some time to set up. As you can see, we haven't done any multiplication yet, and we spent a while setting up, but that's alright. Now we get to multiply. So, lattice makes it simple. You just take these numbers, 3 and 7, multiply them by 5 and 9. So first, 7 times 5 is 35. I want some red there, though, so it stands out. 35. Notice one number goes in each triangle. 7 times 9 is 63. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 9 is 27. Now, here's where it kind of gets tricky. Now we need to add up down these diagonals starting at the bottom. 3 is all alone, so 3 is just down there. Up here is where it's going to get tricky. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. But that 1, part of the 18, the 1, that needs to be carried, we'll put it up there. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 2 is 11. Once again, we need to carry a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we have our answer, 2,183. 2,183. So notice you still get the right answer. It might take a little bit longer, but that's okay. It works for some people, doesn't work for others. Let's try it on one more. We're going to try it on a 3-digit number this time. Try and make it a little bit trickier to make sure we cover that as well. Whoops, just trying to get rid of my stuff here. Alright, 3-digit number. Let's pick a 3-digit number. I'm going to say 214 times 71. 3-digit times 2-digit. Alright, same setup. Take your first number, which is 214. We're going to put that on top. So I'm going to write out 214, giving me some space so I have room to do the lattice. And 71, your second number, goes on the side. 71. Alright, same way we create the lattice. We need a big rectangle this time. Up, I don't want red. I keep on messing up my colors. So, need a big rectangle. And since it's 3-digit times 2-digit, we need 3 columns and 2 rows. Notice 7 has a row, 1 has a row. Each of these numbers has their own column. We still need some diagonals, same way we made the others. Down through the corners. Just do it the best you can. Might not line up perfectly like mine aren't, but it's good enough. Alright, now that we have it set up, we can start doing the math. Give me some red here. Alright, we're going to start with the 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Easy. 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 7 is 7. Notice I'm putting a 0 if it's only a single digit answer. I don't want to have nothing there. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 1 is 2. All the multiplication is done now, so now you just do some adding, starting down here in the bottom corner. That just stays the same. That's a 4. 8 times 1 is, 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 2 is 11. Notice I have to carry a 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 1 is all alone. Now we have our answer. Seemed like a really big multiplication, but we still find the answer easy enough. We have 1, 5, 1, 9, 4. If I put my comma over 3 spots so I see where thousands are, our answer is 15,194. So that's lattice multiplication. I can keep on showing examples, but you notice it works just fine for any numbers you try. So if that's what you like to use, go ahead and use it. There you go.